All right, now that you've listened to chapter 3, I want you to answer these questions, but remember to go back to the text to find your answers. So here you've got Italian writer Francesco Petrarch penned the following eyewitness account in the Middle Ages, and then it's asking you what the word penned means. So use the context to figure out what that means. Then on page 22, it wants to know how the author described earthquakes. So go back to page 22 and use that text to help you answer this. Wants to know why plate boundaries are important. And then on number 4, blank are the places where earthquakes start from. Make sure you use your text. What effects of the 1906 San Francisco earthquake did you see in the image on page 26? So go to page 26. Then here the author compared an earthquake's focus to a heart. Why do you think they did that? And then is it true or false that scientists use only one seismograph to find the earthquake's epicenter? And then here they're comparing the first seismograph to the modern seismograph. How are they similar? And what scale helps scientists measure earthquakes? Are an earthquake and an aftershock the same thing? Think back to our vocabulary. An earthquake in an ocean triggers a blank to occur. We talked about that in our vocabulary also. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. What happens beneath Earth's surface to cause earthquakes? Fault means a crack in Earth's surface. What part of speech is fault? Then you're going to have the next few questions where you're going to choose whether the definition of fault is a crack in Earth's crust or the responsibility for wrongdoing. So for example, here, it was my fault that we missed the train because I overslept. Would that be a crack in Earth's crust or responsibility for wrongdoing? And that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Then here are the reasons we use commas, and you're going to rewrite these last 2 sentences using correct commas. Then you will be done with this and you can work on your choice board. Remember to work together, collaborate, and use your text. Thank you.